What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our lawn, but we're not in our lawn. We're in my brand new garage DIY golf simulator. And I want to talk to you about this and bring this to you because I believe, and while the thumbnail in this comment is a little clickbaity, in the right set of circumstances, you could have this and be playing golf in your house for about $1,500. And that is with a over 4x9 center strike hitting mat, the foam tiles, impact screen, custom enclosure, all of it. What I've spent to date on the enclosure and the hitting mat is $1,000. And when I say you could do this for $1,500, the Garmin R10 right now is $500 online. I've played over at my friend's house. I don't have it. I have the Mevo Plus, which we'll talk about. But I've played on a Garmin R10, and it's still a ton of fun. So $1,500, you're set up to play golf at your house all winter long. And I know my current subscriber base, I know a lot of you are golfers because you follow my backyard putting green. And that's why you've subscribed, and that's why you're here. So this, I really want to round out the indoor golf experience. And now, like I said, it's a little clickbaity because I'm actually into this for about $4,200, but that's because I didn't own a PC, so I needed to buy that. And I got the Mevo Plus, which was about $2,000 after taxes and fees and everything. And my PC with a 4060 Ti and 32 gig of RAM and an i7, which I got from Costco, is about $1,300. So once you bring those in, we're in more to $4,200. But if you have a decent laptop and you want to go Garmin R10, you're in a great spot. And by the way, that price includes heating. That price includes this big net around here. It includes all the foam on the floor, the plywood up defending the ceiling and protecting these bounce backs from hitting me in the face, all of it. And I'm gonna say when I'm done, so what I don't have yet is a projector, so I am just playing on the computer. And I wanna add XPutt as well because Mevo doesn't have a great putting experience, so I do wanna add XPutt for GS Pro. But you can do all of this for very cheap, and I can't describe to you, in an imperfect room, in an imperfect setting with something that's not overly pretty, it's so fun, you guys. And I've played at my friend's who has a little bit shorter ceiling. I can hit driver in here just barely. I had a neighbor whose club goes a little bit more upright through impact, has touched the ceiling, but he was able to play 36 holes with the driver. But I've even played with just irons, and I'm telling you, so long as you can swing 4, 5, 6 iron, you're gonna have a great time. Software allows you to play from 5,000 yards. It's so much fun. So I can't explain to you how much you should get out there, get set up. I'm going to do more dedicated videos to all of this. I will have dedicated videos on my hitting mat that I made myself. I will have dedicated video on the enclosure and how I made that and what all that is and how that works. And I'll talk about the Mevo on its own. And then we'll go from there. But please, if this is something you're interested in, there has never been a better time to get into having a simulator at your house. So get after it, start researching, watch all of the YouTube videos, follow along to what I'm doing here to maybe get some ideas for yourself. Subscribe to the channel to follow along to that journey and all we're doing throughout the winter here in the garage. As always, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment with what you wanted to do or what you have done. Maybe let me know your thoughts, things that you would, given my space, you could maybe think to do. As always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.